Maddox. What do you got to say for yourself, you burp monster?
I did little.
Now do another one. Yummy.